Hello and welcome. This is Michelle with PaperStampInk. Thanks for stopping by my channel today, where you'll receive tips, techniques, and tutorials to inspire you in your own paper crafting projects. If that feels like something that would benefit you, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, tap the bell, and you'll get notifications when I post future projects. Today we're talking about simple stamping. And simple stamping is just getting back to remembering how beautiful and effective a simple card can be. Sometimes it's easy to get caught up in all the ribbons and the dies and the bling, and a simple card can be just as impactful. I'm going to use the Waterfront stamp set for this, and we're using Mossy Meadow, Crumb Cake, and Balmy Blue inks. Let's see if I can meet the 1-minute challenge that's been posted by Stampin Up in creating a simple card for you. I'm going to start with the Balmy Blue, and I'm going to create some water down here in the bottom. The thing I love about this stamp set is you don't have to be super precise, and I'm using my stamping off to get that effect. I'm going to come in with Crumb Cake and just post a little bit there of ground, and then I'm going to come in and post a little bit darker with a couple of mountains there. Then let's get out our Mossy Meadow, and for this I'm only going to be inking the very tops of the trees to get the effect of some shorter trees in the front there. And we're just about done. Let me put a couple of water spots in there, just to add some more texture. We'll go back to the Crumb Cake for a thanks and a friend stamp. And there we have our simple stamping card. I hope you enjoyed that. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy simple stamping, and be creative.